shop anytime, anywhere. Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be showing you how to create an Amazon account step by step. Having an Amazon account will give us access to a wide range of products and services, as well as other benefits like free 2-day shipping on eligible purchases. So, let's get started. Step 1. Go to the Amazon website. The first step is to go to the Amazon website. Type www.amazon.com into our web browser's address bar and hit enter. Step 2. We will click on Account and Lists. Once we are on the Amazon homepage, we'll click on Account and Lists. This is located on the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Click on New Customer. Start here. Next, fill all the personal details on the next page under Create Our Amazon Account, which is located below the Create Our Account fields. Step 4. Fill in our personal information. We'll need to fill in our personal information, such as our name, phone, email address is optional, and a password. We need to make sure to use alphanumeric 14-digit password to keep our password strong and secure. However, we can still use min of 6-character password as well. We'll also need to confirm our password. Step 5. We will click on Create Your Amazon Account. Once we've filled in our personal information, click the yellow Create Your Amazon Account button. Step 6. We need to verify our email address or phone number. Amazon will send us a verification email or OTP to our email address or phone number we have provided while creating account. We will click on the link in the email to verify our account or enter an OTP on the next page to verify our phone number. Step 7. Now we are almost done. We need to set up our billing and shipping information. If you plan on making purchases on Amazon, we'll need to set up our billing and shipping information. We can do this by going to the Your Account page, selecting Payment Options, and Addresses and more, respectively. That's it. We've successfully created an Amazon account. Now we are ready to start shopping. With these simple steps, we'll have access to a wide range of products and services on Amazon. Don't forget to verify your email and set up your billing and shipping information if you plan on making purchases. Thanks for watching and do subscribe our channel for more videos.